I'm excited to share my 7-day juice cleanse results with you all. And before I do, hi, my name is Waisha. Welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. This channel is all about freedom from depression, freedom from weight, freedom from addictions. And one of the main tools that I use to get this freedom is juicing. So you'll see a lot of that here on this channel and more. So definitely subscribe if that's something you're interested in. Alright, so enough about that. Let me tell y'all about this past juice cleanse. So I want to say that this one was actually a bit easier than the ones I've done in the past. And I wasn't sure why at first, but you know, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. I will say it started off pretty rocky because I had bad headaches the first 2 days, but after that it was like smooth sailing. It almost felt natural, like so much so there was a point where I didn't even want to eat. I was just like in this high, this bliss, and it felt so good. And honestly, I'm still here now because today is Sunday when I'm recording this, and I'm planning to break it. So I'm gonna break it with a fruit salad. I already have a lot of watermelon here, and I'm thinking of going to the store to get pineapple, mango. But anyways, enough about that. So this cleanse was really amazing. I feel like it definitely brought me closer to my goals, which is trying to align my schedule, get back on my routine, and also become more disciplined in terms of what I eat and what I consume. So before this cleanse, one of the things that I noticed I was doing was I wasn't eating enough. Like for me, sometimes one meal a day is, you know, good enough. But I feel like although it's not a bad thing, I feel like for me, since I'm doing a lot of mental work, I'm doing a lot of activity running around, that I need to do a little bit more in terms of filling myself with energy to get these things done versus just, you know, having one big plant-based meal and then that's it, right? So anyways, I feel like this really forced me to get on a schedule to where it's like, okay, eat, right? And it's not necessarily. And I ended up getting this because as I was juicing, I had to consume 6 of these bad boys every single day. So it forced me to remind myself like, okay, it's time to eat, or drink in my case. Okay, it's time to drink. Okay, it's time to drink. And I think that's something I'm going to take with me moving forward in terms of my eating habits. So instead of just eating one meal for an entire day, I think I'm going to eat smaller meals throughout the day. So in the morning with breakfast, like, okay, it's time to eat. Lunchtime, okay, it's time to eat, and etc. So that's been really helpful. Another thing that I feel like I got out of this was mental clarity. And I don't know if it's because my body is not focusing so much on digestion and processing these foods. Rather, it's using this energy to heal my body. And in a way, I feel like it's giving me more mental space to get the information that I need, to get the downloads that I need, all the things. So I'm like, okay. Honestly, it's just a beautiful cleanse. And I want to say thank you to everyone who joined me on this juice cleanse this time around. You guys are amazing. And honestly, you're one of the reasons that kept me going as well. I was like, okay, let's show up. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? So thank you so much for being a part of that journey. Truly, it means a lot. I feel like community is important with these types of things because it's easy for us to want to do these things and better our health, but there's just having a support system behind you. It just makes it all that much better. So I have to send love to all y'all for real. And for those of y'all who want to join in the future cleanses or just want to stay up to date with the cleanses that I do throughout the year, be sure to join me on my private Facebook group, The Juicing Sanctuary. I'll be sure to have a link in the description where you can join us juicers alike and just share whatever you want to share, whether it's recipes, whether it's advice, whether you want to learn something, whether you have services or products that you want to showcase to the group. Feel free to join and we will be more than happy to have you. So aside from that, let's get to the results, right? Well, the moment we all been waiting for. So I recorded some before and after videos of what my body looks like and also the weight. So I lost 6 pounds for this cleanse for the 7 days, which was pretty good. I noticed that my skin cleared up a bit. So I was having some acne problems, specifically around PMSing and hormonal times of my cycle. and it came up atrociously right before the cleanse. And I'm like, okay, I hope this cleanse could actually help, you know, some of the things that's happening here. And it did. Seeing the progress from the before and after was like huge to me. And I feel like even in person, it looks so much better. So I'm really happy about that. In terms of digestion, my digestion definitely improved. In fact, I was really impressed by this time around. And this is a little TMI, but most juice cleanses, I don't use the bathroom like that. You know, it's almost like that whole digestion piece just stops. But for this cleanse, that was not the case. Like, I was pretty regular somehow. So you know, and I'm grateful for that, because I did continue to take my supplements and vitamins, and I also consumed some of my teas, my detox teas. So that consists of burdock root, yellow dock root, dandelion leaf, dandelion root. That's usually one tea. I've also consumed mullein tea as well to help detox and cleanse the lungs. So while I was juice cleansing and getting all this, you know, toxins and stuff out of me, I was also, you know, consuming my teas and my herbs to help, you know, other parts of the body as well. So anyways, I think that pretty much wraps it up. This cleanse has been amazing. My next cleanse will be during the winter solstice. So again, if you want to join me, be sure to join the Facebook group. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos. All right, peace and love.